Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can reduce vertical spacing between each feed item using custom CSS. So let's begin. Just right click, inspect element, go to each feed. Don't worry if you don't know any CSS style sheet or any other coding language. I will provide all your classes and style sheet in this video description. You just need to copy and paste inside your custom CSS file. All right, so I'm selecting this, so we can see there is padding 20 pixel top and bottom, and 0 means left and right. So I will reduce this. Okay. This is enough for me, I think. So I will create this class inside my custom CSS and apply to it. Just need padding to be top bottom 10, left right 0, right? Or else you can do like this: top 10 pixels, right 0, bottom 10 pixels, and right. I will give some top, right, bottom, and left. Cool. Let's save this. I will upload my file on Dropbox. To refresh, okay, vertical spacing, share, create link. Go to my class, custom CSS, replace TL. Okay, you can see the spacing is reduced, but the one when we got the issue is on hover, it's applying the old spacing, right? So let's fix that. Go to CSS, copy whole thing, paste, item, add hover, or else you can do the like this. Just copy the hover part, comma, and remove this. So on hover, it will be the same. Let's replace CSS. Save, refresh. Okay, I think it's still caching. Let's reload. Okay, all right, now it's working. Okay, so the spacing is fixed. Okay, I will add all the CSS classes and properties inside the video description, so you can copy and paste inside your custom CSS file and use it. Thanks for watching.